Yeah. So children, now we are going to do third sum. A dozen apples weigh 2.4 kg. How many apples will weigh 10.2 kg? So let us assume this as first sentence, right? So a dozen apples means 12 apples. So 12 apples, 2.4 kg. Okay, so we will write in the first sentence apples and kg. So dozen apples means 12 and 2.4 kg means we can write it as 24 by 10. Now why we are doing this? So that when we are cross multiplying, we can avoid the decimals. So 2.4 is in decimal form. When you turn it into fraction, you can write 24 by 10 because after decimal only one digit is there. So one digit means down 1 0. So this is your first part of the sentence. How many apples will weigh 10.2 kg? So second part of the sentence, come to the second line. So 10.2 kg will be how many apples? So let us write this also in the form of fraction 102 by after decimal one digit, so 1 0 down. So how we will assume in the last class we saw that we will write this as A, B first line, C, D second line. And as we know, product of extremes is equal to product of means. That means A into D is equal to B into C. So what is A? 12 and D is 102 by 10 and B is 24 by 10. We are not taking the decimals, children. We have avoided the decimals and C is X. Now we have to find X, right? So we will write 12 into 102 by 10 as it is. When 24 by 10 comes from right hand side to left hand side. What is right hand side? After equal to. What is left hand side? Before equal to. So right hand side to left hand side, what will happen? This will become reciprocal. As plus becomes minus, multiplication becomes division. So 24 by 10 will become 10 by 24. So now you have shifted this side. So what is remaining here? Only X. So now cancellation. 10 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator gets cancelled. These both are factors of 12. 12 ones are, 12 twos are. And these both will go in 2 because this in the units place even number is there. 2 ones are 251 times. So 51 is equal to X. That means it is answer is 51 apples will weigh 10.2 kg. Well, let us come to the next sum. Yeah, next sum is 50 people consume an average of 110 kg of rice in a week. So this is our first sentence. 50 people have 110 kg of rice. So I can write in the first line 50 people use 110 kg of rice. Next is if 20 more people join this group. That means if 20 more are added to this group. More means addition. So if 20 more are added, how many kilograms of rice will be needed? So that means if you add 20 to this group, what is the current number of people, children? It will be 70. How many kgs of rice is needed? So this you should understand. This is a new sentence added to this sum. If 20 more people join this group. So after this everything is same, children. A into D is equal to B into C. So what is A? 50. D is X is equal to 110 into 70. Keeping X here, 110 into 70 divided by 50. Okay, so zeros get cancelled up and down, correct? That means we are dividing it by 10, children. That is why we are cancelling zeros. 1 0 up, 1 0 down. 5 is a factor of 70. 5 ones are, 5 14s are. So 11 into 14. It will be 154. So if what is X now here? Rice in kgs. So 154 kg will be needed if 20 more people join the group. Next sum. 24 students collected 108 rupees by buying a raffle ticket each. So what is the information? Students and cost of raffle ticket is given. Rupees 108 is being collected. So we will write that students and collection amount in rupees. 24 students collected 108 rupees. How many students means in the place of students X will come, how many students will have to buy a raffle ticket each to collect 315 rupees. So now here how many students have asked for to collect a raffle ticket to collect 315 rupees. So now here again we will do, now we can stop using A into D children. Now you can understand what I am doing. A into D is equal to B into C. So 24 into 315 is equal to 108 into X. So now we have to do the cancellation. So I keeping X here as it is. I'll keep X here as it is. So shifting 108 from right hand side to left hand side, it will be division, right? Because 108 is multiplication here. Now if you know the tables of 12, 12 2s are is 24 and 12 9s are is 108. Children, I just strongly advise you that you should know the tables at least till 15. Okay, so whenever you have time, practice tables till 15. Okay, so the cancellation becomes quick. 12 2s are 24, 12 9s are 108. Now how many times 9 will go in this? 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 45, 9 5s are 45, and 35 into 2 is 70. So 70 students will be needed to buy a raffle ticket. So 70 students. Hope you understood, children. Next class we will do the remaining two sums. Thank you.